And welcome back, Vagabonds. Oh man, it's great to have you back here. Want to say thank you all. I finally hit over 100 subscribers, and another highlight here is that I hit over 30,000 views. Thank you for watching what I'm putting out here. It is an honor for me to put some stuff out here for you to watch, and I'm glad that you keep coming back and watching. So thank you very much for subscribing and watching me. You all have nothing but love out there, man. I love you all. Thank you so much. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a little view of Coimbra going through the Botanical Garden. So come on and enjoy.
Things aren't going exactly the way that you want them to go. They're going exactly the way that you need for that moment. I was wanting to go to Aveiro, and things didn't work out, but instead I took some time to listen to some music, walk around the city, and here I'm finding a little bit of peace, doing a little bit of introspection, looking at the things that I want to do and where to go and where I am, and answering those type of questions of where am I now, and kind of grounding myself in the moment before I answer other questions of where am I going, what is the future going to hold for me. So while I might not have the answers for the future, I do have the answers for the moment. That, you know, I'm just in a botanical garden surrounded by so many things that are green, and everything's gonna be okay. Might not be what I want in the moment, but it's exactly what I need. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. It helps me out in the algorithms. And until then, I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.